Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to manage the Shipvista Live Shipping Rates plugin for WooCommerce. This plugin is incredibly useful if you want to display real-time shipping rates from multiple carriers directly on your checkout page, giving your customers accurate shipping costs and boosting transparency. Let's dive right in and get this set up. First, open a browser and head to WordPress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do that now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing and managing the plugin. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard, which is the control center for your entire site. To manage the Shipvista Live Shipping Rates plugin for WooCommerce, start by clicking on Plugins on the left navigation menu. This will expand a set of options related to plugin management. From the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This section is where you can browse, search, and install new plugins to enhance your WooCommerce store's functionality. From the Plugins page, you'll see all the plugins available to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Here, locate the search bar and type in Shipvista Live. From the results, look for Shipvista Live Shipping Rates. Click on More Details to see the overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers, as this will help you understand how it integrates with your store. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. It might take a while for the installation to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, click on Activate. This step is crucial because activating the plugin makes it functional and ready to use on your site. Once your page refreshes, look at your left navigation panel and click on WooCommerce. An expanded menu will appear, and from here, click on Settings. This will take you to the WooCommerce Settings page, which is the hub for configuring everything related to your store's operations. From the WooCommerce Settings page, look at the top side section. You'll see several tabs. Click on Shipping. This tab is where you manage all shipping-related configurations, including carriers, zones, and methods. Under the Shipping Settings page, look for the Shipvista Live Shipping Rates link. Now from here, we'll be setting up your Shipvista account. Start by entering your account email and password in the required fields. Make sure these credentials are correct, as they link your WooCommerce store to your Shipvista account. After entering your details, click on Connect Store. This action will authorize the connection and allow the plugin to pull live shipping rates from your chosen carriers. Then, under the Carriers section, click on Set Up Carriers to add your carriers. This is where you select which shipping carriers you want to display on your checkout page, such as FedEx, UPS, USPS, or others. Choose the carriers that best fit your business needs and customer preferences. Now move to the Settings page and enter basic shipping info. This includes details like your store's origin address and default package weight, which helps the plugin calculate accurate shipping costs. Next, add in warehouse locations. If you ship from multiple locations, this feature ensures that the plugin calculates rates based on the nearest warehouse to your customer, optimizing both cost and delivery time. After that, input package dimensions and restrictions. This step is important because different carriers have different size and weight limits, and providing this information ensures that the rates displayed are accurate and compliant with carrier rules. Once done, all settings will automatically be added to your checkout page. Your customers will now see real-time shipping rates from the carriers you've configured, making the checkout process smooth.